Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, I am here with my deals from Dollar General. They have some incredible laundry deals going on this week. So if you need laundry products, dryer sheets, fabric softener, detergent, pods, flings, whatever you want to call them, you need to get to Dollar General because this is the week for you to save. And what's nice is that you can do the deals a couple of times because you can use your Dollar General digital coupons and you can use the Ibotta app. So I'm going to show you how you can do both so that you can take advantage of the deals a few times this week. But before we get started, you guys already know, on the way to 15K, we are inching up there, guys. We're getting closer and closer and closer and closer. I am actually surprised that I had gained so many subscribers over the weekend with not having any new videos up. But guys, I just need 663 more subscribers to hit that 15K. So let's get me there by Saturday, please. So let's go ahead. Let's get started. Let's jump right into the deal. So the first thing that I grabbed was the all detergent. That all detergent free and clear is the 141 ounce, which is the 79 loads. Now that is priced at $17 in the store. Now, you don't unnecessarily have to get that one. You can get the regular all. It's totally up to you. I just chose to get the free and clear because I have an order for that. And the deal that I got for it was just amazing. So when you scan it into your app, this coupon is going to pop up. And it is save $5 when you spend $15 on any Snuggle, Purex Crystals, and Persil products. So you have to make sure that you spend $15. There's a whole bunch of different ways that you can do this deal. And as you can see, the coupon does not expire until 8/24. So you have until Saturday to do it. So you can get the smaller bottles of all and have them add up to $15 along with some Purex products, some Snuggle products. Here I'm going to show you all the different products that are in that deal. So these are all the different products that you can get to add up to the $15 so that you can save the $5. This is not an instant savings deal. This is a digital coupon that you must have clipped onto your DG account in order to save that $5. I'm just going through all the items. You can see there's a lot of items you can choose from. And like I said, that's how you can come up with all the different scenarios. But I just needed the one big, huge thing of all. So that is the one that I went with. And that is I'm sorry for the ringing in the background, guys. That's $17. So when you scan it into your app, you have to clip the $5 off when you spend $15. And then you have a choice. You can either clip the $4 DG cash back coupon, or that same cashback offer is being offered in Ibotta. If you're choosing to do it in Ibotta, you have to make sure that your DG account and your Ibotta accounts are linked. Okay? You cannot get both. It has to be one or the other. But I will tell you, if you have it clipped, the cashback clipped in your DG app, you will get the DG cashback. You will not get the Ibotta cashback, okay? I chose to get the Ibotta cashback because I'm trying to get my bonus for Ibotta for hitting a certain amount of rebates and getting $35 back. Plus, I always like to choose Ibotta cashback because then I can use that cashback at any other stores that I'm couponing at, as opposed to if you get DG cashback, you can only use that money at Dollar General. So that was $17 between the $5 that I got off for spending 15, although that was 17, and the $4 cash back from Ibotta. That's a total of $9 off. So that big thing of all cost me $8. Guys, that is less than 50% off. So I find that to be a very, very good deal. And just a little tip for those of you who do like baby shower baskets and things, that is a popular item. I use those all the time in my baby shower baskets, baby baskets, and all of that. So the next deal that I did is the Arm & Hammer deal. Now, this deal is actually an instant savings deal. It's not a digital coupon that you have to clip. And what it is again, it is a spend 15 deal. When you spend $15 in certain Arm & Hammer products, you will save $5 instantly. Again, that's an instant saving. So that's not a coupon that you have to clip. Now, this deal can get a little tricky because everyone has different coupons. Some people have like $1 off the Arm & Hammer detergent, $1.50 off the Arm & Hammer detergent. They have digital coupons in their Dollar General app. I don't have any of those. So I wasn't able to use digital coupons. But there are also cash back offers that are available in the Ibotta app, as well as some people have it in their Dollar General app. For some reason, everyone has different things, different offers, cashbacks, and digital coupons for these Arm & Hammer products. DG does that sometimes. So when that happens, we just have to adjust our math accordingly or adjust our deals accordingly. So I got 3 of the Arm & Hammer detergents that were $4 each. Okay. So that will bring me up to $12. So I wasn't at my $15 threshold in order to save the $5 instantly. So I had to grab something else. So I grabbed these older blasters, and those were $6. So that really takes me over the $15 threshold. That brings me to $18. But that's totally okay because of the cash back offers that I'm going to use. Now, I chose to do my deal this way, but I'm going to show you that there are a ton of Arm & Hammer products that you can use to get you to the deal. Okay, so let me show you. When I scan the $4 Arm & Hammer detergent in, you see there is a $2 DG cash back, and that is for limit 3. Okay, now let me show you. There's all sizes, prices, and cents of the different Arm & Hammer products, laundry products that are part of the spend 15, get $5. So you do the deal whichever way is best for you and your household and your family. Okay. So my total is $18. Now, like I said, I don't have any DG coupons, digital coupons. I have that one cash back offer, which I could use. But again, like I told you guys with the all free and clear deal, I choose to use Ibotta as opposed to using the DG cash back. So although there was a $2 DG cash back, I chose to use the Ibotta version of it. It's the same one, and Ibotta had limit 3 also. So that would be a total of $6 back. Then I also grabbed those older blasters. The older blasters are $6. To me, that's an excellent deal because guess what? When you scan them into the DG app, DG is giving you $4 cash back. But just be mindful that it is expiring soon. And let me show you. It says expiring soon, must be clipped by 8/20/24. So you want to clip that if you're not going to use your if you're not going to use your Ibotta app quickly. But the Ibotta apps tend to reset. So I don't know, if you want to go do another deal or not. But I'm not going to clip mine. But what you could do is you could do one deal with the DG cashback today. So you could do this scenario, in one transaction today, get your cash back for DG for the detergent, as well as your cash back for the odor blasters. Then you could turn right back around and do that deal again, because you could do the instant savings over and over again. You could do that deal right back again, but then you clip the offers in Ibotta, and then you get your money back from Ibotta. So that way you can do the deal twice in one day. Okay. So like I said, I did the deal with Ibotta because that would give me 4 more rebates to claim towards my $35 bonus that I'm trying to get. So this was a total of $18. With the instant savings, I paid $13 at the register, but then I did get back $6 back from Ibotta. I got $2 back for each detergent, and I got $4 back for the odor blaster. So that's a total of $10. So I paid $3 for 3 bottles of detergent, as well as a large thing of odor blasters. $3, guys. One detergent was more than $3. So that is an excellent, excellent deal. So if I were you, I would do that deal over and over and over again as many times as I could. So somewhere between checking out at Dollar General and coming home and doing the video, I lost my receipt. But let me show you guys. I did get my cash back from Ibotta. I got my $4 back for the odor blasters. I got my $2 back for each one of the Arm & Hammer detergents, which adds up to $6. And I got my $4 back for the all detergent. That comes to $14. Guys, this is amazing. That was my first time dropping something in, oh my God, I don't know how many videos. So I apologize, but guess what? I got it done. So I paid $3 for the Arm & Hammer, and I paid $8 for the all. So I paid $11 for everything pictured. Guess what, guys? That's not even the price of the all. So those are amazing, amazing savings. That is a savings of $24. So go out, do the deals, guys. Come back. Let me know what you were able to do. Maybe you do your deal a little different than mine. I'd love to see and hear from you guys to see exactly how you did your deals. But until the next time, keep on saving.